Hey friends, are you new to Instagram and don't know how to add highlights to your profile? Then don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram highlights easily. Just follow each step with me without skipping any part of the video. Now, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. On this profile page, you can see that no highlights are added. Now, to add highlights, you need first to post a story to your profile, and then that story has to be added to your profile. So to post a story, click on your profile picture. Now, add a story by selecting your photos and videos from the gallery, or you can directly use your camera. For a demo purpose, I am selecting from my gallery. I think you have now selected your photos or videos. You are now able to modify your story by integrating text messages, music, stickers, or effects, thereby improving its overall story presentation. After finalizing your story, tap on the forward icon at the bottom right corner, then click on the share button. Now you can see that the add highlights option is showing, so just click it to add your highlight, and then click on this add button, and then click on done. But wait! Those who did not find the highlights option here should just click on done and then go back to your profile and wait for some time until the story is posted. After that, click on your profile. As you can see, my story is successfully uploaded. Now click on the Add Highlight option at the bottom and then name your highlight. After that, just click on Add and then on this pop-up page, click on Done. Now, go back to your profile and see that your highlight will be added. If you want to edit your highlight, just click on your highlight, tap on the three-dot icon, and then click on Edit Highlight. Now you can change your highlight name and edit your cover from here. This is how you can add your highlight to your Instagram profile. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, my friends, and have a good day.